My dear best friend, I want to say thank you. Thank you for being there. In the tough time and the good times. You're my everything. My other half. We might get into arguments, but I love how we can constantly laugh. Be happy always. You're worth a lot more than you think. Share this video to someone special.